Hey Glam fam, so today we are doing this super pretty glam look. I am super excited because I love the way this turned out, and it's very out of my comfort zone, if that's something that's even a thing for me. But I wouldn't say it's out of my comfort zone. I would say it's different from what I would usually wear, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and maybe a share, and don't forget to join the Glam fam by clicking that subscribe button down there. It's free and I post new videos every single week. And if you click the subscribe button down there and then click the bells on, you will never miss another one of my videos. I also have an Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat with me talking to you guys mostly over on those platforms, especially Twitter and Snapchat. I really hope you guys can go follow me over there. That is it. Let's get into this tutorial. As you guys can see, I did my foundation, my eyebrows, and set everything and primed my eyes. The first thing we're gonna do is go into our Kat Von D Saint Sander palette, and we are going to take this beautiful shade Ashes, this color right here, and we're going to put that into our crease. And then we're gonna go in with Sanctuary right here, and we are going to start to carve out our crease. I like to go in with the Sigma E36 blending brush. It's a little teeny tiny little dome shaped fluffy brush, and we're going to go in and just start the shape of our crease. We're going for a more rounded look today. This brush is really nice because you can really, all you really have to do is just barely touch and then start to go back and forth, and it does the blending for you. Again, this is by Sigma. If you guys would like to go check them out, I do have a discount code in the description if you'd like to save some money, but if not, it's okay. All right, and then we're gonna go into Crucifix, this dark color right here, and we are going to take that onto the same E36 little blending brush, and we are only going to focus it on the right at the edge of the cut crease. Alright, and then we're gonna go in with Amen, this really pretty nude color, and we're going to put that underneath our highlight. We're gonna put that underneath our brow. Alright, and then we're going to run Sanctuary underneath our eyes. We're gonna take Steele's Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Kitten, and we are going to cut our crease with this. Alright, once we have that done, we are going to line our eyes. And today we're going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Let's do some mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Then I'm going to pop on the House of Lashes in Cecile. Lashes on, and we are going to contour. We are going to go in with Makeup Geek's Infidelity. This is Cool Fair. So for my body, I'm gonna set this off with just putting on this new, oh gosh guys, I'm not good with this, Coconut Body Glow, and this is by Kopari. Looks like this. Super excited. We're gonna put this onto our chest and our shoulders. This is probably gonna rub the emphasis on my collarbones off right now, but I don't care. We'll do it again. Very glowy. So we're just gonna go with a darker nude lip. This one is by MAC, and this is called So Me. It's their liquid lipstick. And then before this dries, I want to go back in with some of that Kitten, the sparkle, and we're going to put that on the center of our lips. And for the last touch, to get rid of this on my face, we're going to make it a beauty mark. I'm just take my liquid liner, just do a dot. I'm gonna go into my old TG palette, and we're gonna take Champagne, this color right here, and we're gonna highlight with it. This is gonna be a very, very bright highlight. Just gonna take a tiny bit, shake it off, and then go into where I want the highlight to be placed. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this a like and maybe a share. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Down below, it's that red button. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. And when you click it and then click the bell next to it, you become a part of the Glam fam, and you'll never miss another one of my videos. I also have a Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram. They're also Beautybyjosiek, and I do most of my talking with y'all over on those platforms. And that is it. I love you guys so much. Bye!